In this guide, I'm going to show you how to choose a reward path in Heroes Path on Raid Shadow Legend. Intro. Now from the Bastion, you need to open up the Events tab over on the right, and you need to select the Active Heroes Path event. Before spending any hero coins, you're going to want to look through the entire map just to see which path is going to have the best rewards available for you. Obviously, they all end with some pretty good rewards, but you want to focus on specific paths. So for example, if I go ahead and choose this one right here and go ahead and unlock it, right? And of course, I'm going to need some resources. It's going to lead me down one of these two paths. And essentially what you need to do is just go ahead and spend the required hero coins to claim it. And then of course, continue unlocking rewards that are directly connected to your current position. There's going to be branching points, just like, for example, this second little row right here. You need to essentially just choose which one you want to continue going through. Just look at the best rewards available, figure out what's most convenient for you so that you can go through, spend your hero coins, and get the best rewards possible. Some paths are going to contain higher value items, while others are going to lead to an event key option, where of course those event keys will let you access even more locked rewards, which give you even better rewards overall. Once you move down a route, you're going to need extra hero coins to reach another branch so that your path can fully, be full before. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.